Hello everyone and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial, I want to teach you how to make these little angels. They are very easy and fast to make. This amigurumi is about 9 centimeters long using the same materials that I use. I will show you now. On my case, I use Symphonia brand yarn. It's 100% cotton yarn and it's about 3 millimeters. You can buy this and more yarn with us on our website GretaWings.com. But you can use whatever yarn that you prefer. Depending on the yarn, maybe the size will be different and also you need to change the hook. I will use skin color yarn for the head, white color yarn for the wings, and for the another piece, for the body, you can use whatever color yarn that you prefer. I will show you on this tutorial using sky blue color yarn. But with another one, I use yellow and you can see it's beautiful too. It's just for the body. With this yarn, I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. This is the hook that I use with this yarn. Also, we need scissors, a little stuff for the head, just for the head. Also, I will use silicone hat to make the union very fast and easy, but you can sew it if you prefer that. And that's it. This is all the materials that we will need to make these little angels. Oh, I'm sorry, I almost forgot. This detail, you can make it or not, whatever you prefer. On this case, I will use these materials is clean lips, something like that. I'm so sorry, I don't know how I say that in English, but it's very easy to make with this some crown for these angels. It's up to you. Okay, if you don't have this material with another material, you can put yarn and will be similar. What with this is very easy. You can see with my design, I don't put this, but in some live on here on this channel that we made in the past, some people ask for a crown, and I say, well, with this will be easy and fast to make. It's some idea that you can make. Also, you can put it inside or you can use glue on the back. And that's it. This is the result and it's very beautiful. You can make like this. Yeah. Then now we can start with this angel. We will start making the head using skin color yarn. We will start on round 1 with a magic rain and then 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and you can close the magic rain and put some mark if you think that is necessary, because we will work in a spiral. And on round 2 we will make 6 increase, 1 in each single crochet on the previous round, 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and we already have the first increase. We will continue doing increase until finish this round with 12 points. On round 3 we will start with 1 single crochet and in the next point 1 increase. And we will continue repeating exactly the same, 1 single crochet and 1 increase, and we will finish this round with 18 points. From round 4 to 6, 4, 5 and 6, we will make 18 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round and repeating the same until round 6, 18 single crochet in each one. When you finish the round 6, this is the result, and you can see that this This part is different. Don't turn the piece. I prefer this side, but you can use this one if you prefer that. Whatever you like will be okay. But on my case, I select the another one. I really like this part for this project. Then, now we can continue with round 7. And on round 7, you can see how I crochet now. Then on round 7, one single crochet and one decrease all round. And you can see how I made the decrease. I will make the traditional decrease. Insert the hook and take one loop in the next point. Insert the hook and take one loop. And in the next point, make the same. Insert the hook and take another loop. And when you have 3 loops on the hook, take the loop and throw out for the 3 loops. And that's it. For me, it's a traditional decrease. One single crochet and now one traditional decrease. Then we will continue repeating the same until finish this round with 12 points. And on round 8 and the last round, we will make 12 single crochet. If you prefer make 6 decrease, also you can do it, but I prefer 12 single crochet because before close we can put the staff and later close using a wool needle. Then you can see how to make this round, and also I will show you later how to close using a wool needle. And please put enough staff on this head. And also you can leave a long yarn at the end, and you can use to put it on the head if you want to put this angel on the Christmas tree or something like that for decorations. For the another pieces, we will use white and in my case, a skin blue color yarn. For the wings, I recommend that you use white all the time. Okay? But for the another piece, whatever color that you prefer. In my case, blue. And both pieces are exactly the same. You need to repeat 2 times. Exactly the same pattern. Then we will start with a magic rain, the chain for secure, and one more. Then one chain for star before this one, after this one, sorry. And now 12 half double crochet inside the magic rain. 1, 2, and we will continue doing half double crochet until we are 12. We need 12. After 12 half double crochet, you can close the magic rain and finish this round with one slip stitch in the first half double crochet on this round, not in the chain, in the first half double crochet. We finish with 12 points. On round 2, one chain, and in the same base we will start to do 12 half double crochet increase. One half double crochet, one more in the same point, and we already have the first increase. We will continue doing increase all round. And for the end, we will make one slip stitch in the first half double crochet, and we will finish this round with 24 points. In round 3, one chain, and now we will repeat one half double crochet starting in the same base, and in the next point, one half double crochet increase. We will continue repeating one half double crochet and one half double crochet increase all round. And for the end, we will make one slip stitch in the first half double crochet on this round, and we will finish this round with 36 points. On round 4, we will start with one chain, and in the same base, we will start repeating 2 half double crochet, one here, one more in the next point, and in the next one half double crochet increase. We will continue repeating 2 half double crochet and 1 half double crochet increase all round. And for the end, we will make one slip stitch on the first half double crochet. And we will finish this round with 48 points. Now the last round, one chain, and in the next point, one slip stitch. One chain, one slip stitch. One chain, one slip stitch is the same. It's the same that we will repeat all round. It's just a border, just a detail. When you finish, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn just for secure and hide it. And this is what I made now. Hide all thread that I leave. And after that, we can make the union with all of pieces. Pay close attention. Remember that you need 2 pieces like this one. This is the head, and now we will make the union with everything using, on my case, silicone hat, but you can use whatever glue that you prefer, and also you can leave a long yarn and sew it everything. Then you can see how it's easy. Then we already finished this little angel. Also, you can make the eyes or mouth if you prefer that. And I already have two, blue and yellow. And I really love this design. It's easy and fast to make. We can make a lot of angels like this one. And remember, if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next Amigurumi. Bye bye.